Here's a certified 2018 Chevrolet Camaro. The look, the performance, the legend. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, active noise cancellation, manual telescoping steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. Chevy, 100 years of icons. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.